Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I got the part that I was waiting for from Taiwan, which are the foglight bezels. I received them yesterday. I already opened the box. They look really good. Carbon's really good. I already ceramic coated them, but let me show you how they look really quick before I throw them on the car. So these are it. Fully carbon fiber. They don't clip on. I do have to screw them on from the bumper in. So let's see how that works. Other than that, I already ceramic coated it, so it's nice and smooth and protected, I guess, from the elements. And yeah, so when I'm gonna throw this on, it's gonna match the grill perfectly because I've been wanting to take off those foglight bezels for a while because of the light. It's too much overkill. I already have the turn signal there on the headlights, so I don't really need them. And plus, I was looking for the whole cleanup in the front, just like the new STIs that don't come with fog lights anymore, or they don't come with turn signals there anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna do that with these and change up the look. These are gonna look really aggressive in the front compared to those subie speed ones. And I'm glad I'm changing them because these subie speed ones are chipping, just like the usual, just like my grill, my JDM grill, where it was chipping up here. And yeah, most of the paint already came off. And yeah, as you can see, it's already peeling off as I touch it. So I don't know what's wrong with the paint that they're using, or I don't know, but I mean, they can always get repainted and get fixed up. But you know, these are good, but they're kind of too subtle for me. I kind of want more aggressiveness. That's what I'm looking for. A little bit more aggressive, a little bit more track looking, I would say, with the lip and the APR canards and APR spoiler and the Sibon hood. It just kind of looks more aggressive, so I felt like those fog lights were really just holding it back a little bit. But yeah, I think this is the final touch on carbon fiber for the front. I'm not gonna do this piece that everybody's been doing. I don't know, I feel like that's too much. And yeah, so all that's left is wrapping the car and I'll be set. So let me just take off the bumper and put these on and see how they look. And yeah, all right, I'll be back. All right guys, got the bumper off. Now it's time to put in the foglight bezels. Let me see how I'm gonna do that because I gotta drill into this. It's gonna be weird. Well, let's see how it goes. I think it just fits in through here. The little screws should fit through here, or let me just put it on and see how it goes. Well, yeah, let me take these off. All right, guys. Well, there it is. I finished one side. I'm gonna do the other one next. So all I have to do is cut. I did have to cut a piece in here. I'll show you which piece. But overall, the fitment is perfect. No issues there. I did use sap tappers on the other side just to hold it in. There's 6 of them, so it's not gonna go anywhere at all. It's held on there pretty tight. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. The only thing is, yeah, the only thing is fitment issues is just right here. There's a little gap, and right here. But I mean, once it's on the car, you're not gonna really see it. So the part that I had to cut was this right here. I had to cut a square, kind of remove this whole thing because it was hitting it. So later down the road, I might paint it. I don't know yet. I mean, it's not really all that noticeable, but if it starts bugging me, then I will cut it all or paint it. I'll probably just end up cutting it all off, honestly. So probably cut it off from here all the way around. We'll see. I don't know. Let's see how I feel. But for now, that's pretty much it. And it looks really good. I like the open vents, the grill, the bezels. Shit, this looks clean. But yeah. Let me just finish up the other side and I'll finish and show you guys how it looks. All right, I'll be back. All right guys, well, I'm all set. Both sides are done. Like I said, this is temporary for now until I probably wrap the car. Once I wrap the car, taking all this off, I'll paint that black or cut it off completely. Maybe cut it off completely, just so I won't show him bug me. But other than that, it looks It looks really good. From far away, it's gonna look really good. Let me throw it on the car so you guys can see how it looks, right? I'll be back. All right, guys, there it is. Bumper is fully on the car. Before you criticize the see-through crap, to me, it looks fine. Doesn't bother me too much. But you can't see it, so. But overall, looks good. Fit perfectly. Coming from Taiwan, I didn't think that would fit, but yeah, there's a little gap right here, but you know, they're held on pretty tight, so they ain't going nowhere. Well, I hope they don't go anywhere, because if they do, I have to get some more, because these are sick. But yeah, there it is, guys. Carbon fiber bezels on the front. Looks more aggressive. So yeah, and I'll actually fix the grill too. Now there's no gap right here. I just used some self tappers down there too, because I guess I was missing some down here. So yeah, I raised the bumper and lowered the grill, so now they're together. So there's no gap anymore there. So now it's good. Everything in the front is good. So once I decide to wrap this car, it's gonna suck taking that front bumper stuff off piece by piece. So should have wrapped it before I decided to put all this stuff on here, but you know, patience, I don't have it. So for now it looks good. And yeah, what do you guys think, guys? Does it look more aggressive? Yeah. Well, there it is, guys. The bezels look amazing. Yeah, sure, you can see through there. You can see the, what is it, the crash bar thing. You can see the plastic, gray plastic. But I will be painting that black, so maybe even the crash bar too. Paint that shit black. Get it all black so you can't see it. But that's gonna be for another time. Maybe another day. Sometime maybe in a month. So for now, it looks good, guys. Alright. Alright, guys, well, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys these new bezels I got, and I think I'm the only one that has them. Just kidding, there'll be some other people having these, but shit, they look good. Good thing I found them. I looked hard for these. Yeah, if you guys want them, you guys better look hard for them, because I ain't telling you where they're at. So good luck. Just kidding. Well, let me know what you guys think. And that's pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Oh yeah, and I did take off the spoiler, so I ceramic coated that too. I'll be putting it back on later though. How does it look without the spoiler? Too much? Too weird? Yeah, too weird. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace out. Later.